Hey, if you want to fix the phone calls issue with your Huawei FreeBuds 5, we've got two methods. The first one, you have to be sure that on the Bluetooth settings, when you open your FreeBuds and go to the settings, this switcher from the phone calls is enabled. If you turn it on and you still have issue with your phone calls, the only way to fix it is to perform the hard reset. So you have to grab your earbuds, input them into the case, then locate this button. Right now, just keep holding this button until this icon at the front of the case turns to the red. So it will take around a few seconds. Right now you can subscribe to my channel, it will help me to grow it. And there we go. Right now we can release this button and it is actually moving to the pairing mode. So now we have to get rid of this previously connection. So click on the forget and confirm. Now click to the pair new device and select your Huawei FreeBuds 5. Accept the pairing, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Bye bye!